come true. Airbnb is great, but a website to rent hunting property? Jackpot! Outrider is an online community of hunters and landowners where you can lease or list land. Whether it's just for a day, a season, or as long as a year, Outrider creates great access for hunters. According to their site, Outrider is the perfect platform for landowners looking for additional revenue, outfitters looking for more exposure, and hunters seeking more access and opportunities. They're set up much like Airbnb, showing photos and info about the listings and owners, including rules, acreage, weapons allowed, and so on. They have listings all over the U.S., from Florida to Texas to Washington State. There's something for every hunter. Outrider's mission is to make hunting more affordable and booking a hunt much easier, while advocating sustainable hunting practices. Would you be down to book your next hunt through Outrider? Are you a landowner who's thought about doing something like this with your land? Let us know in the comments and head over to Raider Red's YouTube channel for more outdoor videos. I'm Abby Casey.